Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Eid Mubarak from my family to yours. Eid Al-Adha is an amazing example of legacy of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, a legacy of sacrifice, a legacy of unapologetically Muslim behavior, unparalleled submission and complete obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, up to a point where he actually became ready to sacrifice his own son. And we have to embrace it. Only thinking about sacrificing, slaughtering an animal, the legacy is not served. If we truly want to embrace Eid Al-Adha as an amazing example of Allah's submission and sacrifice, we need to look at the history of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, what he did and why he did that. He was a true trailblazer. He was called Khalilullah, Allah's friend. No other prophet was called like that. He did everything that Allah wanted him to do, and he stopped himself from anything that Allah didn't want him to do. So the legacy of unparalleled sacrifice and the obedience and the submission did not only end here with the slaughter, it actually also included striking or challenging the status quo, striking and challenging the culture, striking and challenging of the wrong behavior of that society back then. We need to live it, or we need to actually leave it. Just pray, eat, love, earn, and die. If you want to live a meaningful life every day, then only then this legacy of Eid Al-Adha belongs to us.